We are now in your apartment via Orto 16. This is room number 1 on your left, room number 2, and the last one, room number 3. So let's check the shower spaces. Here you have the switch box, the intercom in case somebody calls you, you have to open from here. The kitchen with plenty of space for storage, fridge, freezer, dryer, oven, dishwasher, and washing machine. You also have here the bathroom. And this is the closet for the cleaning lady. She comes once a week. We're going to inform you when on the WhatsApp group, but she'll do just the shower spaces, corridor, bathroom, and kitchen. We hardly recommend you to separate the garbage. You have this little one for organic mix, things that cannot be recycled, paper, plastic, and glass. We should separate everything, otherwise we could receive a big fine from the building management.